Hi, Madhumalti. Congratulations on being on the top 100 expat list in Luxembourg. We are very proud to know that as a founder of Workshop for Me, which teaches kids from 5 and above to code, and as an EU Code Week ambassador, your contribution in education and technology is appreciated. We like to celebrate this moment of recognition with you and share your journey's milestones. So I have a few questions for you. Shall I go ahead?
Sure.
When did you visualize Workshop for Me and what was the motivation behind it?
So I actually visualized Workshop for Me 20 years ago. In fact, I even had the domain for it for that many years.
Wow.
It finally took shape 8 years ago. And this was when I was working full time and managing the European operations for a life science technology company in Luxembourg. So on one hand, I missed the coding or the computer programming aspect of my job. And on the other hand, I wanted to introduce my kids to the joy of computer programming. So Leo was 12 years old at that time and Avanti was 7. And since I wanted my kids to code, I thought maybe other parents also want their kids to code. So we announced the first workshop and it was very well received. And the response was so overwhelming that it was encouraging. So that's how it actually started.
Great things start at home, isn't it?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So how was your journey in building Workshop for Me, and what about it do you cherish most?
So the journey has been very enriching. It's been very enriching all of these years. It's been our weekend activity, and we've spoken at technology conferences, won hackathons, represented Luxembourg in global robotics championships, and moved so many children from being consumers to creators using technology. What I cherish most is the smile on the faces of the children when they play a game that they've made themselves, and then the gleam in the eyes of the parents when they see what their children have made, and also seeing their children transform, from the shy ones into completely confident ones when they are showing their app which they built to their peers. So it is very satisfying to see that all these years of hard work is paying off, and now coding is included in the school curriculum for schools in Luxembourg from this academic year.
Fantastic. So what you started as an activity at home has gone, it's been so essential for other people as well. And you've been putting smiles on both parents and children. This is one part where probably both children and parents are smiling together, isn't it?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Fantastic. So do you have a favorite customer experience that you can share with us?
Yeah, there are actually so many. We've had so many wonderful experiences like this. We had an 8-year-old autistic child, and I know we are celebrating the Autism Awareness Week this week. So we had an 8-year-old who was autistic and whom the world called differently abled. He didn't know how to read the blocks that he used to code, but he made such a wonderful maze game that his parents and he were both amazed at by seeing it. So that was one of the wonderful moments we shared. We had a little shy Czech girl who came into our coding class holding her parents' hand on the first day, and then some years later she not only spoke wonderful English but participated in a worldwide app development contest to build a mobile app. She spoke in the video. She also wrote a business plan for it.
Wow.
Then we had a brother and sister duo who refused to go on their skiing trip with the parents because they didn't want to miss one coding session.
That's the best.
And we have students from yesteryears. One is now studying computer science in Imperial College London. He's also a coach with us. And another who wowed her bosses at her internship when she applied her coding knowledge. She's also a coach with us now. So all of these instances, make me feel really warm, fuzzy feeling in my heart.
It's fantastic when your customers become your champions, isn't it? The circle.
Absolutely.
It's fantastic. I mean, how many companies can speak about that?
I'm happy to be one of them.
Yeah, that's amazing. And your other role as a EU Code Week ambassador, could you please share who do you get to collaborate with and what influence EU Code Week has on our daily lives?
Sure. So EU Code Week is actually a grassroots initiative and it is aimed to bring coding to everyone in a fun and engaging way. The EU Commission backs it and sponsors it. So in 2020, last year, which everybody knows as the year of the pandemic, we had 72,700 activities in total, which was brought to through 3.4 million participants from 80 countries around the world. So not only in the EU, but other countries as well. The way it works is there are ambassadors in each EU country who help to bring coding activities to the schools and the general public. And at the local level, I get to collaborate with the Education Ministry of Luxembourg, the teachers of the country, the different organizations that offer coding, companies who are interested to host events, the students, basically the entire community, the entire coding ecosystem. We have several meetings and workshops amongst the ambassadors and the education coordinators from the ministry, also teachers from across the EU and the policy makers at the EU Commission over EU. And we are having them online now. We used to have them in Brussels or in different locations earlier on. So it's a very vibrant community and it is a really nice initiative that I am really happy to be proud of.
Fantastic. So you've given so much to the community. What started as small and now it's like, grown to a such large community. So when you look back, what do you feel Luxembourg has offered you and how did you make best use of what Luxembourg has offered?
Oh, Luxembourg has a lot to offer. It's a great place to live and work. It's a melting pot of so many cultures. There are diverse people, very highly educated from all over the world. They're open and welcoming. So there is the spirit of openness and welcoming within the country. There are great opportunities to learn and grow. Being a small country is also a strength. It is possible to just reach out to people and ask for what we need. So this culture to encourage and embrace new ideas has been an offering from the country that I've made use of. Everybody was so welcoming and happy to have, workshop for me, be here, and all the other initiatives that I've been able to run. So it's really awesome to be part of this community.
Great. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us at Wiki. And we congratulate you once again and wish you all the very best in this endeavor of taking coding beyond EU. And good luck to workshop for me as well.
Thank you. Thank you. Very nice talking to you.